Idea. We are going to show you top 5 lighting on the ceiling under $100,2020 hanging lights for bedroom we've created. This list is based on my personal opinion based on our research and the value of sustainability, and further, we include options for each type of consumer. So if you are looking for the best product money, want to buy a good product, of course, you will find a link in the description below to see more information and updated prices on the products mentioned. So let's start with top 5 lighting on the ceiling under $100,2020 hanging lights for bedroom. Number 5, brand name, Vevis. Specifications: color black, white. Material, iron. Style 1 with cloth cover, style 2 without cloth cover, style 3 with cloth cover, style 3. Wire height, 90 centimeters, style 4 without cloth cover, style 5 without cloth cover, wire height, 90 centimeters. Voltage, AC 110,250 volts. Lighting area, 1,530 square meter. Lampshade size, 202,020 centimeters. Bulb required, E27 2060W incandescent or 515W LED, bulb not included. 4. Office, cafe, shop, bar, restaurant, living room decoration. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 4, brand name, Vevis. Specifications: color black, white. Material, iron. Style 1 with cloth cover. Voltage, AC 110,250 volts. Lighting area, 1,530 square meter. Lampshade size, 202,020 centimeters. Bulb required, E27 2060W incandescent or 515W LED, bulb not included. Vintage industrial rustic flush mount ceiling light metal lamp fixture, Nordic style creative retro light lamp black white. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 3, brand name, WLGNM. Is bulbs included, no usage, daily lighting. Number of light sources, 1 finish, iron. Lighting area, 10-15 square meters. Application, kitchen dining room. Bedroom foyer study plated. Metal certification, CCC voltage, 9260V. Features: retro power source, AC, ceiling light, vintage ceiling lamp, retro loft ceiling lighting, American country light fixtures, free shipping. For more information, product link in the description box. Number 2, brand name, Linkax. Modern LED crystal ceiling light, circular mini colorful ceiling lamp, Luminarias Rotunda light for living room, aisle, corridor key. Specification: 100% brand new. Energy saving, low consumption, environmental friendly. Lighting adding to a sense of mystery with its unique shape and aesthetic, lighting for the home life. Diameter, approx 7.920 cm. Material, glass plus crystal. Input voltage, 110 to 240 volts. Light color, warm white, multicolor, pink, blue, white is also available. Bulb, 3 watts included. Installation surface mounted. For more information, product link in the description box. 1, brand name, UL. Specification type, LED full color bedroom ceiling light. Material ABS. Quantity, 1 PC. Color white. Power 36W. Voltage 220V. Light source LED. Light color, RGB. App, iLink. Battery, 2 AAA battery, not included. Diameter, 36 centimeters, 14.15 inch. Net weight, 1,450 grams, 3.19 pounds. For more information, product link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.